I made a Tic Tac Toe game. So the goal is to make a working Tic Tac Toe game. The design was you put a number 0 to 2 for a row and 0 to 2 for a column, and the rest is just basic Tic Tac Toe rules. You get 3 in a row, you win. I don't have it built because it's on a computer. I program this small part right here is the setup. This is the board stuff, and this is the quotations it says. I tested this project 20 times, and the problem was X kept on winning after I put one letter down, so I fixed it by rewriting the win code. I'd make the game into an ultimate tic-tac-toe game if I had more time, obviously doable, and play.
Just random numbers.
I killed the game. Yeah, if you put a number greater than 3, then the game crashes.
All right, any questions?
What was the hardest part of this project?
I don't know.
What was the easiest part of this project?
Writing play right here.
All right, can we have a round of applause?